Hey there everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recreate Taylor Swift's amazing look from the VMAs in 2023. So if you're a Swiftie like me, get ready to slay this iconic look. Let's start with the makeup. For the flawless base, Taylor used the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. She then added a touch of warmth to her cheeks with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer for that stunning sun-kissed glow. To achieve those mesmerizing eyes, she used the Urban Decay Naked 3 eyeshadow palette, focusing on the shades Dust and Buzz for a soft and romantic look. And for her luscious lips, she went for the classic red, using the MAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. It's absolutely stunning. Now let's talk about hairstyling tools. Taylor's gorgeous curls were achieved using the renowned GHD Curve Creative Curl Wand. It's perfect for getting those Taylor Swift signature curls that we all love. She also added some extra volume and length with clip-in hair extensions from Bellamy Hair. Moving on to hair products, Taylor sprayed her locks with the Oribe Superfine Strong Hairspray to ensure her curls stayed in place all night long. And to add that extra shine and glossy finish, she used the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray. It's no wonder her hair looked absolutely flawless. Now, let's discuss the outfit details. Taylor rocked a stunning floor-length sequined gown by Elie Saab in a beautiful shade of midnight blue. The fabric was so dreamy, and it shimmered with her every move on the red carpet. She completed the look with a pair of silver Jimmy Choo pumps that added a touch of elegance to the ensemble. Accessorizing was on point as well. Taylor wore a breathtaking pair of diamond drop earrings from Tiffany & Amp Company, along with a matching statement diamond ring. She carried a silver clutch by Chanel and completed her look with a sleek silver chain belt that accentuated her waist. It was pure perfection. As for her nails, Taylor went for a classy and timeless look. She opted for a simple yet stunning manicure featuring the OPI nail lacquer in the shade Bubble Bath. It's a soft and feminine color that perfectly complemented her overall look. Lastly, let's talk about Taylor's flawless skin. Before applying makeup, she followed a thorough skincare routine. She started with a gentle cleanser, followed by toner and a hydrating moisturizer. To prep her skin for makeup, she used the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Protective Primer, which created a smooth canvas for her foundation. And there you have it. You now know all the details to recreate Taylor Swift's show-stopping look from the VMAs in 2023. So go ahead, rock that red lip, curl those locks, and slay the red carpet just like our Queen Taylor.